Boston is sitting at 18.6 for a total from this snowstorm. If we get just another 1.2 inches on top of that, that would tie us as the 10th biggest snowstorm on record for Boston in terms of the amount of snow. So we've been creeping up this list for sure. Many areas coming in between 14 and 24 inches of snow. Just a little bit less with that wetter snow down toward the South Coast, Cape and the Islands, where you did actually see a little sleet mix in, at least for part of the storm. But everybody got hit with this one, and there's more cleanup to do as we've got light snow lingering into later this evening before it finally pulls away. The rest of the week is going to be cold, so there will be no melting. But really the next big thing on our radar that we're watching comes this upcoming weekend, as there is the potential for another coastal storm. So we are going to be watching that all weekend long. The weather alert continues today because we've got an additional 2 to 4 inches of snow coming on in. Localized amounts could get closer to 6 inches for parts of the north and south shore with some ocean enhancement. We're actually seeing a little bit of ocean effect snow right now, but what's coming later just starting to fill in right now back toward New York State. That is the kind of upper level back energy from this storm system. The main storm is lifting up through Nova Scotia, but it's this energy swinging through that is going to fuel those additional areas of light snow coming in later today. So right now this is just ocean effect. So seeing a little bit of light snow through parts of the South Shore, southeastern Massachusetts, the Cape. It's not really amounting to much, just some flakes in the air. The winds are actually coming down. They will turn more to the north and then the northwest as we get into the afternoon. So it's going to be tough to warm up much. Teens is where we stay, north and west of 495 this afternoon. Mid-20s around Boston. You are looking at temperatures a little closer to the freezing mark. Plymouth down to the Cape. You can see what happens though this afternoon as we start getting that snow to fill in. So things are going to change here. Once we get to around noontime, you can see that snow starting to develop here off to the west. Then it slides east this afternoon. You can see the snow is going to be near the coastline through about 8, 9, 10 o'clock this evening. In fact, the last of the flakes exit between 11 p.m. and 2 in the morning. So the snow will taper off tonight. Finally, temperatures will drop down into the single digits in the suburbs, about 10 downtown. But when you factor the wind tomorrow morning, it's going to feel like 5 to 10 below zero as you're heading back to work and school. At least we've got the sunshine back tomorrow, giving way to some increasing afternoon clouds. High temperatures only about 20 to 25. But let's talk more about the snow from this particular storm. A lot of communities coming up over 20 inches, Kellyanne.
Yes, and now with this snow, we are finally seeing, in the first time in 4 years, since 2022, a seasonal snowfall total that is near or above average. Right now, year to date, we are running above because of this latest storm that delivered 18.6 in both Boston and Worcester. In fact, you can see Worcester running well above. So a significant amount of snow on the ground, a lot of work for us to do. But hey, how about these people in Needham? Instead of digging out their stairs, they built a snow ramp. That's one fun way to get through the storm. But Cindy, we might be building some more snow ramps later this week.
I love it. They are having so much fun in the snow. This may not be as fun next weekend. Okay, this is Saturday. This is one of our computer models in the afternoon. A storm offshore to our south, creeping north along the coast. And I use that word creeping because this one looks like it may move pretty slow. And that would be bad news because we have higher astronomical tides next weekend. Sunday, I believe it's like an 11-foot tide in the morning in Boston. And that may give us more of an increased easterly wind flow, which would make us more susceptible for some coastal flooding. You could see snow that would pile up here as we go from Saturday night through Sunday before this pulls away on Monday. So we're going to be watching the track on this one, but do know if you've got plans for next weekend, they may include some snow on Sunday. Between now and then, it's sunny, it's cold, but it is dry. Look at those temperatures, no higher than the low to mid 20s. Not going to get much melting in, especially with those morning low temperatures in the single digits. So we are locked in to this winter pattern. All right, at least there's a little bit of a lull right now in terms of the snow, so folks can continue kind of cleaning up out on the roads, Katie.